Hi Enjoypreneurs! We're here again for another quick and delicious recipe idea using inJoy praise fries. For this recipe, we will be needing spring onions, red onions, salt and pepper, cornstarch, and inJoy praise fries powder. We're substituting the yellow onions with red onions since ito lang ang available sa market. First, let's combine 250 grams of inJoy praise fries powder, pepper, and salt. After combining our dry ingredients, add in 500 ml of water and mix everything together. Once our praise fries mixture is formed into a dough, add in spring onions and mix well. Add 20 grams of cornstarch and mix well. On a chopping board, sprinkle all-purpose flour. Scoop 1 tablespoon of praise fries dough and flatten it using the palm of your hand. Mold lang natin ang dough into an onion ring shape using these two molders. Now, para naman sa mga onion ring lovers, let's wrap this onion using the same praise fries mixture like so. Let's fry our prepared onion rings for 2 to 3 minutes or until it's golden brown. And that's it! Perfect recipe idea for your food stalls. Best served din ito with inJoy praise fries dip flavors. Thanks for watching! Bye!